Waheguru.
British in 1947 and inkan pai ni pai krip war ni Mahatma Gandhi atum kachisong fen mit hangadet kachilongar ni India Independence Day pining an arta troknar kep tichok an nang pling si det pi ang kang kami Independence Day talonton. Lasu Sukar Bianglong District Administration tumpen patil pi ponsi Kifugov Boys HS School pachok lamalong India Independence Day talonton. Jaime ka ting pena da por phai pho di pro pen det alunjir phai jupon. La so phi por phai troxy pen go fa sai hem ka pen jong jong atum an India alama kang turpon apor padulo. La pu ke ECCM to dram rong hang pen det pi ke ban put song Mahatma Gandhi kom dena long pach imu padupon. La so pi por phai sir ke apor pen di fu go voice pachok lang along Independence Day kita lon akam adim along albisar po ke ECCM to dram rong hang adim palegam si guard of honor lang toridam hit. La so pi ki do an arat pen vande mataram alunjur lun pon. La pudet pialama kang tur por pen ke ECCM to dram rong hang ari ten India te lama intro. Lama included a P. Alvisa po ke ACCM to Ram Rong Hang Pen Lam take it on ke India that Metha that Chelong Najipura Mahatma Gandhi at Tung Pachistong Purt Mot Han Pon Napen Karbiang Long Kamin Monsam Kido Pen Penang an aside the Chintur Clem Long Loputa Jaipon.
We have still road dream of self-love coming into the but physical individual alone cannot complete our journey. The next great individual, we must live in human capacity. Our road must lead our youth toward opportunity. Our school must lead them towards knowledge. Our college must lead them towards skill. Our hospital must give our family security. Our agriculture must generate prosperity. Our tourism create livelihood. And our peace must give every youth person the freedom to dream. This is the cultural we must be together. First, Viksit Bharat, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given to nation the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. The Karbianlong and West Karbianlong must be active partners in this nationalist journey. Our geography and maybe hilly, but our ambitions must be remain high. Our village must be distant, our opportunity must be very full step. Our population is more now than any other region, but our contribution to the India can be great. Let us move from peace and prosperity, from connectivity to opportunity, from education to innovation, from agriculture to entrepreneurship, from our rich citizen towards a confident future, and let youth let the transformation and connection. Lastly, on behalf of the Pinta Dialogue, on behalf of the Assam government, unity, human service, peace, unity, harmony, and all our development interests.
Lam Jai did a P. March past the May Charlie Osomar Lapen NCC Assam Police Home Guard Assam Women Police CRPF atum pen paklangpon. Laso pi karbi ang long khai ki kan lasong si karbi khai rik nong ching di paklangpon si kaprek kai atum tami metang ajutang ikan paklangpon. Lapu J Aprang March Pass Kachipati along Best NCC Contingent Agency Ano E Itugov College NCC atum Chipalongpo. Lapenadun to Ano E St. Mary School NCC Lapenkit from Ano E Ditugov Boys School NCC atum Chipalongpo. Lapu Best School Contingent Agency Ano E Presbyterian Mission HS School atum Chipalongpo. Lapenadun to Ano E Union Christian English School Pen Chipalongdun. Lapenkit from Ano E St. Dominic School atum Chipalongpon. Sons Best Platoon Commander, Union Christian English School, Sarjimari Teromsi, Chingsianong E. Chipalongpon. La Penadun Chuanong E. Good Shepherd English High School, Sergelin Chisopi, La Penkit E. Modern English High School, Kirilin Durangpi, Chipalongpon. Sonsi kapre jongjono isi kami pajurpon na pen kaitin ipka na tumapan kami kachurualo pi pajurpon. Ingding Truck Market Independence Day kitalon Ponamayalong DC, SSP, DIG, CRPF Co, KACEM, MECs, Principal Secretary, Pendang Lokit Hekitingatum, Chitong Dunsi, Ing Samjin Pen kitalon Pachunpon.
বেলেগৰ উগ্ৰপন্থী দলৰ বন্ধ কৰা স্বত্তেও যেতিয়া কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ টিম কাৰ্বি আংলং গঠন কৰাৰ পিছত ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলঙত যেতিয়া স্থায়ী শান্তি হোৱাৰ লগে লগে ইয়াত বনৰ কালচাৰটো নাইকিয়া হৈছে বনৰ সংস্কৃতি ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ পৰা বিচাৰি দি আছে এতিয়া কৰ্ম সংস্কৃতি ৱৰ্ক কালচাৰ হয় মানে গতিকে আজি 80তম স্বাধীনতা দিৱসৰ উদযাপনতো বহু ৰাইজ ওলাই আহিছে আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে ইমান ৰ'দ থকা স্বত্তেও সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী ইয়াত মানুহবিলাক আহিছে আৰু আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে বেলেগৰ কলা সাংস্কৃতিক প্ৰদৰ্শন দেখুৱাইছে গোটেই মানুহবিলাকৰ যেতিয়া ৰাইজৰ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ লগত আছে ৰাইজৰ বিশ্বকৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াৰ লগতে আছে ৰাইজে টিম কাৰ্বি আংলং
News Report, KTV News.
तेरी धूप जरा